Credit to WCS for these exercises, but they're to get muscle memory. And what we did initially was we did sweeps forward and we did sweeps back. So forward and back, forward and back. It helps if you bend your knees and use your upper body. Then what we did was chugs. And that was bending one leg, straightening the other. Bending one leg, straightening the other. Bending one leg, straightening the other. And those are good muscle memories, and you can put them in to your West Coast swing as you go.
So the next thing we did was what I call J-hook sugar to the left, because it's to the leader's left. We talked about keeping our frames together, the leader and the follower, because we're doing this J-hook movement, but it's not with the arms, it's by moving our bodies. So 1, 2. We're also talked about staying in the slot, leaders. Don't let her get the idea that you're going into a whip. Block her, 1, 2. Now we're both facing that way. A little tip for you, if you look down when you do this with a new follower, they'll get the hint to look down with you. So 1, 2, kick, ball change, sweep, step, triple step from this side. 1, 2, kick, ball change, sweep, step, triple step. And then we did the alligator whip. We broke it down, sorry. We started with a regular fold going like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You end up with a funky handhold, that's okay. Then we added the top hand. You can either start with it connected or you can ask for it on count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all we're doing is we're doing a fold on the bottom and a hair drape on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Someone's going to say about that. Oh, I forgot. Well, that was pretty much what we covered, guys.
For
Thanks for coming.
followers, it's walk, walk, triple step, and very light on the top connection.